got a pretty good first signal here. Bouncing 92 to 88. Four inches. Let's check it out. So I see it right there. It looks like it could be something good. See if I can get it out. Maybe a buckle stuck behind a rock. There it is. Nope, not a buckle. Not quite sure what it is. Definitely old. Just had a 80-81 signal. Yeah. Oh, I see something. It's a buckle. It's a D buckle. Nice. Small old find. Pretty good 84 target in here. And it's in the plug. Hoping for something good. Another thing I'm not sure of. Looks old. Okay, I wasn't expecting this to be too great of a signal, but I see something old down here. It's another buckle. It's got some pretty good detail. Nice color to it. Alright, let's go find another. Alright, this is a nice find. 1864 Indian head penny. It might be fat, I don't know. I don't know if they did that with the 64s. I got a 63 the other day here, which is really funny. Nice find. Doesn't look to be in too bad condition either. Just found this itty bitty thing. I think it may have been a button. I think that's a shank back there. Super tiny, there's my fingernail right there. What do you think? So I did check, since it's an 1864 for the L, and I do not see it. If there was one, it's probably long gone by now, but just gonna have to say it's not a 1864 L. Oh well, still a good find. Right here, 2 inches down, got an oxen shoe. Looks pretty good. 1860 probably, or earlier, I don't know. Very cool find, 8 inches down. We got a very rough musket ball. That's pretty cool. The lead has turned bluish on this one, as is all the lead around here. It's very heavy, maybe a 54 caliber. I don't know. Awesome. So I just found a 4-leaf clover. It was a button. You can see that's where the shank was. Also has a loop right there, like maybe you could wear it on a necklace or something. Maybe now I'll have some better luck. Sweet. Just got another buckle. It's another iron square buckle. Probably 3 or 4 inches down. Scratchy signal. Pretty old. You're not gonna believe what I just found. Another buckle. I accidentally broke this one. I got so many more where that came from though. It's amazing. I just found something I've been wanting to find for a very long time. Frodo Bell. Frodo Bell. Too bad the top's broken off, but I can't wait to give that a ring. Get all the dirt out and I'll ring it. Ring it at the end of the video. Nice. That's awesome. Sweet. Pretty scratchy signal, but it is in the plug. So I'm gonna try to get it out of there live. It's just a chunk of lead. Well, can't all be winners. So here are the finds for today. We got some pretty good stuff. I do have more stuff I'm gonna show at the end that I got at the same spot. This is just from today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buckles. We found 6 buckles today. Got this thing, and I'm not sure what it is. If somebody could tell me, that would be great. Part of a button, I think. Dandy button. We got our 4-leaf clover right here. It's a pretty interesting find. It looks like it was a button, perhaps. Musket ball. The deep down musket ball. Ox shoe. Here's that fancy dandy button that we got. I'll have to get some better pictures or something at the end. This is where the shank would have gone. .64 Indian. This weird thing. I don't know if I got a video of this, but I'm not quite sure what it is. If it's a button or something. Very strange. And my personal favorite find today is Frodo Bell. Kind of rings. There's some pieces of dirt falling out of it. All right. That button right here. I might be crazy. These pieces look like they fit. They were found super far from each other. We'll check it out later. World War I or II era. Great Seal button. A fancy 2-hole button. Dandy button. A big chunk of one, big chunky piece. Now this right here, I don't know if it's Civil War or World War I Marines. Either way, this is one of my favorite finds that I made there. Small flat button, looks like it's bronze maybe. This is pretty cool. Nice box hinge. It's got some carving on the back, 3/8. It's 394 right there. All right, here's my Frodo Bell. These two are the same mystery item. I believe this is a barrel band. Not sure. Skeleton lock. You can kind of see some of the mechanism on the back. That's pretty awesome. Go candlestick holder, I believe. Boy Scouts, maybe. Sash buckle. And this is one of my favorite finds. This is half of a sash buckle right here. Lotus flower. And that right there is a peridot. A thimble. I don't know what this is. It might be a comb, part of an instrument or something. This is a spoon. It looks like it's silver. It might be coin silver. Here's that 64 Indian again. This is 63 Fatty Indian. 1907 Victory nickel. Buffalo nickel. Now this This is an amazing find. This is a 1730 King George II. This was found about 12 inches down. It was crazy. I'll get a better view of that later. And here's all the finds from today, not including this little silver piece, a 1920 mercury dime. And on the end right here, we just have a shotgun shell and a hunk of lead. Pretty awesome hunt. Here's that other flat button. Wow.